Hi, I'm Jason, previous Mac Genius, and what we're going to do today is talk about some tips that you can use to utilize the performance of your computer and maximize speed. One of the first things that we're going to do is, I'm going to empty the trash first of all. Having a nice clean desktop actually helps. As far as hardware goes, if you install more RAM, as much RAM as you can have is the best. Installing extra RAM, having an external hard drive will also help, and you can also do some system things on your system to kind of help that, and we have a couple samples for you. I'm going to go into the hard drive here, and I'm going to click on the user. So this would be you right here, and in your library you have a folder called caches. And if we right click and get info on that, we can see it's 10.7 megs. So that's 10.7 megs of space that we can clear off of our system by just dragging it to the trash and throwing it away. The system is going to recreate this folder as you use it. So that's one way you can clean up your cache. Another way is we're going to go into our system, or no, I'm sorry, our disk utility, which we dragged to the dock earlier. Select our hard drive, and we're going to repair our disk permissions. And this is a really good idea to do for if you ever install software, or if you add new hardware, if you add RAM or anything like that. You want to go in and repair your permissions using disk utility, because it repairs all the system folder files back to kind of what they were before you installed your software. And what that does is it optimizes the system files. So anytime you add software, you want to go ahead and repair your permissions. So it's doing that right now, so we're going to let that finish up. And it shouldn't take too long, usually anywhere from 2 minutes to 4 minutes. And those are great ways that you can kind of keep your system running a little bit cleaner than normal. And I'm Jason, Mac Genius, previous Mac Genius, and that's it. I'll see you next time.